Howdy y'all, Slinger here. Just having a hangout. We're in the nighttime. Don't want to wake the neighbor babies. Thought since I got off work early today and I got some foraging done, maybe the missus would be so kind as to have the baby. But that's not the case yet. I'm out in the shop packing me up my Savinelli Fantasia 311 with some dumpster fire blend. And you know about the dumpster fire blend, it's the whatever blend, but I call it a dumpster fire blend because you dumpster it into this jar, whatever leftovers you got, and see what happens. And dang, something good happened in this jar. I was just at the behest of Cactus Piper checking out the Michigan Piper. He's in the smithy yesterday, which is awesome to see. Forging a beautiful Camp Cook set. Wowee, that thing came out real good looking. Real good. I'm always really excited to see, people that have these uncommon interests that I have, smoking a pipe, going to the anvil. In my opinion, those are the good things. Those are certainly good things. So I got this tamper, keychain tamper I forged with the water twist. I love that water twist. It's not a highly technical thing to do, but I really like the way it looks on a short little nub in a steel like that. I could just watch that water twist flow for days. I like it. It's kind of my thing now. I think the water twist is going to be more common of a thing in my tampers and picks and check tools, things of that nature. I'm washing this down with some Voodoo Ranger Imperial IPA. Cheers, y'all. I'm one of those IPA psychos.
Dinner's ready.
Thank you, son. I'll be there soon.
Okay.
Well, I don't get to smoke my pipe. Not yet. Dinner is ready. So, I just wanted to clue you all into Michigan Piper if you're not privy yet, and let you know. Outside of that, I wanted to show off my little little Tampa. This one came out a little rough, so I decided I'd keep it for myself. Love that water twist, jeez, that's nice. But anyway, I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go sit at the table with the family, alright? Y'all be good now. Slinger out.